Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and I hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today here we are with another wireless charger, this one from Choetech. I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check out all the specifications, phones that are compatible with it, but basically all the phones that are Qi charger will be compatible. Now I did test it out with the iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 and also a Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and there are some interesting results that I'll share in just a few moments. Now before we start with the results, you already saw the unboxing and so on and so forth. It has two coils, so I can put two phones on it and it will start to charge, one phone on each side. And if I lift it up and then put it another phone or the exact same phone, it will capture. And I can also do something, which is to just leave it like this, and then if I place it on the horizontal, it will charge in any position that I do. Now I only had once that it did miss a little bit, and that was when I was using the Galaxy Note 10, but the other times with the iPhone 11 Pro it looks like it always gets it. Now in terms of results, what I can say is that at this moment this is the fastest one that we have tested. Now the question is it fast enough for what you are trying, or for what you are looking, or for what you want to use on a daily basis? Let's try to find out. Now this in particular, using the iPhone 11 Pro, in a 30-minute test it charged 17% of the iPhone 11 Pro, which is basically to say that in roughly 3 hours we will have a full charge. Now this doesn't look by much, and of course with the cable it's fast, but if we want to just leave it on a desk and charge it, I do believe that it's pretty acceptable. And in terms of the quickness, this is the fastest that we have reached. The slowest one was 12%, and then in the middle we had one with 16% and this one 17%. But this also led me to something which is probably the limitation is on the iPhone 11 Pro, which doesn't have at this moment the latest technology in terms of wireless charging. So what I did was to ask for a Galaxy Note 10 from a friend of mine, and we did that test. And what we got right over there was a slightly better result, and in the same 30 minutes we were able to charge 20% of battery in the Galaxy Note 10. So we are talking about a full charge in roughly 2 hours and 30 minutes, which is not bad at all. And you might ask, hey Robert, but 2 hours and a half and 3 hours, that's not that much. And it's not, but we have to have in mind that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 has a battery of 3,500 milliamp hours, while the 11 Pro has only 3,046 milliamp hours. So it's faster on the Samsung because the Samsung has a better technology in terms of wireless charge. And basically that is it. The thing that I did like the most, besides the build quality, which is really nice, it has this really nice texture right over here, is basically that we can charge two phones at the same time. And one thing that it's interesting is that using the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, what happens is that when we charge both at the same time, the results that we get are the same exact results that we found right over here, 17% in half an hour for the iPhone 11 Pro. So we will not lose by using two phones at the same time. On the other hand, we will not get more using only one phone at each time. So basically that's the feedback that I can regarding this wireless charger with a dual coil. Guys, that being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget to leave that usual thumbs up, which is really appreciated right over here. As always, my name is Roberto, and I'll see you guys on the next one.